I am your bartender's favorite bartender, and tonight, for one night only, you get me as your personal and private mixologist. Let's pop bottles.
This was my true love gave to me. Four calling birds, 3 Frenches, 2 turtle doves, and the 4 turtle doves, and the partridge.
What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. I am Jess, here on Jess4TV, where we are all about providing you with an assortment of video content for your entertainment pleasures, while piquing your interests and curiosities while still satisfying your needs and wants about everything that is lifestyle. So I've mentioned this a time or two before, but fun fact, I am a licensed mixologist, aka bartender, and owner of BELLAS, LLC, my traveling bartending business. I primarily serve and tend to clients for their private parties and gatherings, so book me for your next shindig. All my information will be in the description box below. So now that we've gotten these formalities out of the way, once again, I am your bartender's favorite bartender, and tonight, for one night only, I'll be sharing with you guys all my favorite holiday drinks so that you can make them for yourselves at home. So let's get drunk. Let's pop bottles. Also guys, side note, if you guys are watching this on the day that it is uploaded, December 23rd, it is my birthday. So get your glass and whatever your favorite poison is, and come on and turn up with me in the comments below. All right, so let's just jump right into these drinks.